This is a quick tutorial about scaling your image to certain DPI. For this purpose, I will be using ImageJ. So this is the ImageJ original website, but I will prefer to use Fiji software because Fiji is one of the great tool which is just ImageJ, but with a lot of options and plugins already built inside. So I will ask you to go to the fiji.sc and click the download button and download the required version of the image of the Fiji for your operating system. Once it is downloaded, so it will be in zip format. So you extract it. So once you extract it, it will look something like this. So you open this image Win64 software, double click it. Okay, so this is open now. Now go open your required image that you want to change the DPI. So for example, I have this image. So this image is of around 1200 DPI and I want it to reduce to 300 DPI. So I will go to, I just drag and drop to the images software. It will open in it. So it will be in different box. Okay, that's all right. Then you go to image, then go to adjust, click the scale to DPI button. Now you reduce it to 300 and okay, average when downsizing, I think it's all right. Okay, now you have a new image with you. Go to file, save as, diff, whatever the file name, save. Now you have second image. Go to properties, check the detail. It's a 300 DPI image. So in the same manner, you can increase the DPI also for your image. For example, more, if you are certain about the image quality and only the DPI is the only issue, so you can increase the DPI from the same way. But if you have a poor image and you increase the DPI, that doesn't mean that your actual resolution is going to increase. Okay, thank you.